Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another Temu haul. I have a ton of what I'm gifting people for Christmas, gift ideas, just overall recommendations. This is a really good haul, so I'm so excited to share everything with y'all today. I have everything linked down below, and download the app. Honestly, it's so addicting, it's so fun. I find so many things, and so many things that Amazon and other stores have for triple the price, I find on Temu for like a quarter of the price. So I highly recommend checking it out and downloading the app if you haven't already, especially so you can take advantage of the coupon code. But yeah, I think that's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. I love these UGG slipper lookalikes. Can't justify living somewhere where it's hot the majority of the year to spend $100 on slippers. So I almost bought the Amazon version for like $45. Then I saw that Temu had them for $25, and I'm so glad I waited. These are the Sherpa ones. They're super trendy, perfect for gifting. They fit true to size. They feel so darn soft on the inside. The sole is nice and hard, and I'm really obsessed. I cannot believe these were only $25. So my mom would love this, and honestly I might treat myself and get myself some too. Measuring cups that are collapsible, so they're great for smaller spaces, small kitchens, people that don't like, you know, clutter. And I love that they store flat. That's my biggest issue with measuring cups. This is crazy. I have two of these scarves from Amazon, and they were like $25. When I saw that Temu had them for $9, I just about screamed. I was so mad. Exact same thing, beautiful color selection. How pretty. And these are a great alternative to the Acne Studio scarves that like all the New York cool city girls wear, but those are $128 for a scarf that you maybe wear like twice. Perfect gift, so cozy. They're just so trendy. I highly recommend. Okay, I wanted to try this out to see if it was like gimmicky or what. Guess what this is? You might think, Fila, are those sunglasses? No. This is a freaking umbrella. I don't want to open it inside, bad luck and such, but y'all, I need to show you how big this really is. This fits in a purse. Like, it was like $7. Comes in all sorts of colors and finishes and sizes and all sorts of things. The perfect stocking stuffer, the perfect gift for anyone, like high school student, college student. Oh my god, this would have been a game changer in college. I never had an umbrella and I was always getting so. Anyone, if you need a gift for literally every single person, just get them all this little pocket umbrella. My brother's girlfriend is an artist. She's very creative, and I wanted to get her like a bunch of little art supplies. So I got her this that I thought was really cool. So it's for painting. You can put your brushes here, you can wash them, whatever, and then you can pour your paint on this palette. And then it comes with the lid to close it. Along those same lines, I also picked up this little, well, it's not little at all. It's a silicone mat for arts and crafts. I also got one for Olivia. It has a magnet where the cup for cleaning your brushes is, and it's so easy to clean, completely mess-free, great for toddlers and for any adult that loves to paint. I think it's amazing. I think Amazon sells them for like $16. On Temu you can get them for $8, and they're the exact same dimensions. This is a little stocking stuffer. It's one of those USB lighters that are rechargeable. So inexpensive on Temu. I think I got this for $5, and on Amazon they're like $10, and they work so well. I have these all over my house. Another great stocking stuffer, especially if you're also gifting them a Polaroid camera or the Insta-X, good for teens. This was like a few dollars on Temu, and it comes with so many pages to put your Polaroid pictures. I think this is so cute. Obviously I'm keeping this for myself because I had so many Polaroids just sitting in a box, and now I get to display this in my office. I got this little picture frame. It's pretty small. Definitely read the dimensions. I don't want you to expect something bigger, but I thought it'd be cute to put my baby's ultrasound in here and then display it in his room. This would also be good for grandparents if you have like a little school picture, ultrasound, any baby announcement, or any sort of cute picture. And you can even put a Polaroid picture in here too. This is for my best friend. I thought this was really cool. It's a pop socket, but it's this like metal hammered look. It actually feels pretty nice quality, like it feels like actual metal. Very her. It's so cool. I kind of want one for myself. He's like really, I think she calls it coquette. I mean, as y'all know, look at my pajamas. I'm obsessed with bows. They're super trendy this year. And Temu has so many beautiful options. Like, are you joking? You get, I think, 6 pairs of these really girly frilly socks for like $4, which is such a steal. You can always divide this up and gift it to different people, bridesmaids. I think that'd be great, but such a steal. Another bow option is this super cutie bow clip. Just trust me, if you have like a girly teen, college student, or even 28-year-old teen like me, get them bow stuff. Like, it's so trendy, it's so cute. If they like pink and girly stuff, they will love this stuff. Then also for one of my friends, I picked up this little terry cloth headband. This is already a bestseller for my gift guides. 99 cents on Temu when Amazon sells the exact same thing for $9. So highly recommend. Another gift guide bestseller has been this. So I saw Temu had it for $5. Amazon has it for like $14. I got the white version for one of my friends. This is that portable lint roller that I always talk about, but this is what it looks like. Basically, you just roll it on, then you just run it under water, and brand new again. So sticky, perfect for pet owners. I carry mine in my purse at all times. And these little bracelets, initials, I thought this was so cute. But it's literally $1. I'm gonna put this in Olivia's stocking. For bridesmaids, this would be perfect. And I got one of my friends this. This is one of those lint removers. It's so funny because on the thing it says hair ball trimmer. That's not what this is. But white, just like she likes, rose gold. And basically this is rechargeable, and you can, excuse me, sir. You can do this on furniture, you can do this on sweaters, anything that pills. It works so well. And this one apparently is real strong. As of late, I refuse to spend more than like $10 on shoes for Olivia because she outgrows them so fast and she gets them so dirty. So I refuse to spend $35 on Crocs. Like, it's not happening. So for Christmas, I got her these from Temu. They were $10. They have the same little holes. What do they call it on TikTok when they're on X Games mode or whatever? And I got her some charms too. I thought this would be like the perfect little stocking stuffer. These little flowers. They have so many charms for every hobby, every interest. They have anything from like Bad Bunny to Coco Melon. I'm not even joking. So you can really find so many, but you don't have to break the bank. More bow items. I got these little bow earrings for my friend. I thought she would love these. They're pretty simple, but they're so cute, and they were like $1. These are for my mommy. I don't know why I said that. I never call her mommy, but she loves anything cozy. She hates the cold in the winter, so I thought I would get her some nice and cozy slippers. This once again remind me of the UGG vibe. They have a little bit of a platform, but not too much, and the inside just feels so darn soft and cozy. She's gonna love these, and I love the fact that I didn't have to spend $30-50 on these. I literally spent $8. Same deal with winter boots. I know she's gonna ruin them. She's gonna outgrow them by next winter. Do you think I'm gonna buy her real Uggs? Absolutely not. So I saw these for like $8. They feel so nice and soft, and they're pink and they're so cute. They also have black ones and brown and beige ones, but I thought the pink were so her. Temu is truly my go-to place for toddler toys, anything clothing, accessories. You're really missing out, toddler and baby, if you haven't checked out Temu and you're a mom or you have a ton of kids in your life. Like I said, if you're not shopping on Temu for baby stuff, you're missing out. This literally feels like Hi Baby. This feels like Little Sleepies. This is crazy because this is only $9. It has the fold up mittens and footies. It also comes in like a girly version, but I'm having a boy. I thought this was perfect. My cousin is also pregnant, and I gifted her, like when she was here in August, one of these Temu jumpsuits that are very reminiscent of the Free People one. So I thought I would get her another one. She is due like mid-February, so she won't get to use it pregnant for too long, but then into the spring and summer, it's like the perfect one-piece outfit. You can always wear a shirt underneath. I got her a more neutral color in a size medium. These run true to size. I'm pretty pregnant right now, and I can still fit into my smalls. So many different colors. These are $8 on Temu, $25 to $30 on Amazon. And like $89 on Free People. I basically only get Olivia Temu toys. I got her so many that I kind of already gave her, but this is one of her Christmas gifts. I heard this is great for toddlers. It says 36 months plus, which is about Olivia's age. I watched a lot of Silly Miss Lily with her on YouTube, and so I got her this little fishing toy that she loves. It has a little magnet, so she just like fishes them out. Great for concentration and coordination. She's been really loving that toy. That was like a couple of bucks. And then I got her this toy that Silly Miss Lily always plays with. It's like a domino train. It's electric and it just goes dumping the dominoes. I will say it's a little pain to have to put the dominoes back in yourself because Olivia is like a little too young to do it herself, but it's really cool to watch and she really likes it, especially if they're younger-ish, like 2 years old. I think they would really like it too. This I'm giving to one of my friends, like as a part of a big gift basket almost. It's a waterproof baggie to keep either in your diaper bag or in your car caddy for your kids' clothes. These are just so darn convenient. Even if you don't have kids, I think this would still be useful. So guys, that's everything I got from Temu for the holidays, either for me and mine or for gifting. So I highly recommend if you're on a budget this year. I know things are very tight for a lot of people, but you know, the holidays are still here and they ain't waiting for anyone. If you don't want to spend a ton of money on each person, Temu has so many functional, useful, trendy items. I mean, these are things that are functional, trendy, even teens would like, but they don't break the bank. So I highly recommend. If you've never tried it before, definitely take advantage of the coupon code. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.